All right, well now we're going to try the Coca-Cola Oreos with popping candy. We already did the Oreo Coca. Yeah, anyway. Let me tell you, when I opened this package, I got a whiff of Coca-Cola. It really does smell like Coca-Cola. Now let's taste it. Shut up, Poopy. It kind of tastes like Coca-Cola. I'm not really getting the popping candy sensation though, but I do notice the little crunchy bits. It is a lot better than the Oreo Coca-Cola though. I guess I'm gonna have to eat all these though because I done did bought them.